Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I share with you a multi-purpose batter that you can use to make waffles and also to make pancakes. And my kids helped me make breakfast this morning, guys. Let's get right into the ingredients. I have all-purpose flour and cinnamon, baking powder, vanilla extract, 4 eggs, 3.5 cup of milk. Also have a 1/4 cup of sugar, a cup of oil and salt. So in a bowl, my son have added the 4 eggs and a 1/4 cup of sugar. We'll use our hand mixer to mix everything together. You can use a normal whisk or a fork to do this mixture. It doesn't have to be in any perfect texture. I'll then go ahead and add in my 1 cup of oil. I'll add in my vanilla extract and then we mix everything together. So this is our wet ingredients. Yes, so you mix your wet ingredients and then we'll be mixing the dry ingredients very soon. We've added in the milk and our wet ingredients is done. So in a separate bowl, we are adding our 4 cups of all-purpose flour and we've added our cinnamon and then we add our baking powder and salt and we whisk everything together. It doesn't have to be in any form of order. Yes, so we whisk until everything is mixed together. Then we'll add our dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and we'll use our electric hand mixer to mix everything together. This batter is a multi-purpose batter that you can use to make waffles, make pancakes, yes, and we love it. We actually made enough for a family of 8. Yes, so I'll make sure to list the measurement for this recipe and I'll also leave a recipe for half of the measurement. Yes, so I'll give you the full recipe and also will give you half of this recipe. So just in case you don't have a big family like I do, then you can also have a recipe that will work for your family. All right, so we'll move over to the girls cracking eggs. So we have 12 eggs here that we are making for everybody. Yes, so we are making scrambled eggs. So they're cracking 12 eggs and we'll add in the salt and black pepper and then they'll whisk everything together. Guys, if you have not subscribed until this point, please subscribe, like and comment. Hit that notification so anytime I upload, you will be notified. And if you're a new subscriber, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you. All right, so the girls are whisking their egg together and we'll whisk and set that on the side. Now we move over to my son making sausages, his favorite thing to do. Yes, so we are making enough sausage for everyone. So these sausages are frozen sausage that we thaw and then we brown it in the pan. It tastes so good. He loves making sausages. That's his favorite thing to do when the whole family is cooking breakfast together. Yes, and then he'll remove them. Now we move over to the waffle maker. So we've heated our waffle press and she's actually using a ladle to scoop some of the batter onto the waffle press. And then just 1 scoop is enough and then we'll close the press until the green light turns on. Yes. So once it is done, it should take about literally 4 to 5 minutes and our first waffle is made. Delicious, and these waffles are so fluffy and amazing and so good. Yes, so like I said, we'll take some of the batter to make pancakes. We'll be making some chocolate chip pancakes. We made chocolate chip waffles or made blueberry waffles. Yes, so it's a multi-purpose batter that you can use to make anything that you like. Please comment down below and let me know what you think about this batter, guys. So I scooped some of the batter and I've added blueberries. I'm gonna have blueberry waffles. Yes, and then I'm scooping some on the side to add chocolate chip to make chocolate chip waffles as well. and then we'll make chocolate chip pancakes. So we just wanted to be creative this morning, and the kids love the different types of waffles that we had in the morning. Also, guys, I recommend putting your waffles on a cooling rack. Yes, I prefer putting your waffles on a cooling rack. When you put it on a tray like that, it sweats. And I wanted to break one of the waffles for you guys to see how soft and delicious it is. It looks just like a Belgian waffle. Yes, and it tastes really good. If you want to serve your waffles at the same time, I recommend popping it in the oven at 350 for just about 5 to 7 minutes just to warm through it, or you can toast it. And there's how the blueberry waffle looks. Delicious, and it looks so good. All right, so we'll move over to Shishi making scrambled eggs. That is also her favorite thing to make when we're making breakfast. Yeah, so she added a little bit oil to the pan, and then she added her eggs, and she's scrambling her eggs, and the eggs is done, and we are setting it on the side. So now there is a chocolate chip waffles that we also made. You don't see the flavors, the chocolate chip inside, but it is delicious, guys. All right, so I'll then go ahead and add just about a teaspoon of butter to a nonstick pan, and I'll add in just some of the plain batter. I'm gonna make a pancake for you to see how amazing this batter is, and now look at how beautiful that pancake looks. I'll definitely break the pancake for you to see how it looks. Yes, and it looks really good and delicious, guys. Now look at that amazing multi-purpose batter, and the pancake is fluffy and delicious. We've also made one for my little one here, and she loved chocolate chip. Yes, so I wanted to help her flip it, and she loved chocolate chip pancakes, and she was super excited. And now look at how delicious and amazing that pancake looks, guys. And we are all ready to enjoy breakfast. So these are all the waffles that we made, looking good. Like I said, you can toast it or you can put it in the oven to get it nice and warm. And I like my waffles with some syrup. Of course, we all put syrup, and we use the real maple syrup for our breakfast waffles and pancake. And I've garnished mine with some fresh strawberries and blueberries, guys. And I'm having a blueberry waffle, and I've garnished it with more fruit, and everybody is enjoying their breakfast. And look at their plate, looking good and delicious, guys. I thank you guys so much for staying until this time. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification so anytime I upload, you will be notified. Thank you. God richly bless you, and please stay safe. Bye, guys.